What's up guys, today we're going to be making an old style FPS, so let's just get straight into it. I want this game to be like the OG Doom and other games similar to that kind of style. So let's go into Unity and get started. I first had the idea to make the game, and then I had the idea to make the video about it. And believe it or not, this game actually has an overarching story. Here it is. You're in the armed forces and you're chilling at home just doing your thing. And then your wife tells you to go pick up like the groceries and go shopping. So you go to the mall and you get groceries or whatever you need to get. But then something happens. While you're at the mall, a criminal organization called Friztvak attacks the mall and takes the people hostage. Your mission is to get out alive. I know this sounds like Die Hard, but it's not. But to catch y'all up on the game's progress, I just got the core mechanics done. Oh no, look out, news! I made a game studio apparently, and it's called Sliver Clay Games. So yeah, there's that. And now that you're all caught up on basically everything, it's time to add some sounds in the game. Because it's cool to hear stuff. Quoted your mom in 1967. But there's just one thing to do before we add sound, and that is to procrastinate for a couple weeks because I am lazy.
1 week later.
So now that is over, it's time to actually record some sounds. First we need a gunshot because pew pew. So let's use a cap gun for that. Wow, is it cold outside. Now that we have sounds, let's just shove it into Unity. Wow, look at that. We heard and have sounds, and they sound like absolute trash. Anyways, I think we're done. And I wonder what my totally real friends think about it. So, how do y'all like my game?
Fucking
Terrible.
horrible, bro.
It kind of sucks, dude.
Oh, hey, so you want me to tell you about your game, huh? You know, after a good solid, 5 minutes of playing it, not gonna lie, it's fucking dog shit. Let me play this shit again. I will rip your fucking nuts off.
It's fucking shit.
Wow, would you look at that? They love it. So, I think we're done with like basically all the core mechanics, so stay tuned for part 2 of this where I actually make the game.